Can you get over this? Wow. So as you can see, Emma's hair is really flat, it's quite fine, and she really struggles to get volume. So if you can relate, I'm gonna show you how to pump up the volume. I use the Color Wow Xtra Large. This is actually like a conditioning treatment for fine hair. A lot of mousses really dry the hair out and leave it very dull and stiff. This actually conditions each hair strand as you use it, whilst using a 3D effect, which actually pumps up the volume and literally transforms the hair. And the best part about it is you can use it on dry. You just pump it through from roots to ends, because the roots is where we want to get all that volume, and then we're going to blow dry into the hair. And you're literally going to see the hair transform in front of your very own eyes. Watch how our hair gets way thicker. So guys, just literally by blasting it upside down, you can see the hair already looks so much better quality. It has like a nice shininess to it, which is the first time I've ever seen anything like this happen with a volumizing product. Check your head back. Wow. Guys, can you get over this? Look how much volume a hair has. It literally is increased in diameter by 4 times, but it's still soft and pliable. It's like you got that in-salon blow dry. Hair should move, and I always felt bad for girls that wanted volume because they use mousses and stuff that made the hair sticky and stiff. You shouldn't have to compromise on the condition of your hair to create volume. So if you guys want volume that lasts all day long and to have silky, good conditioned hair, Color Wow Xtra Large is for you.